Okay, so we're going to get ready for our next slow cooker video, and it is going to be a Thai peanut chicken. First thing is you're going to chop up some chicken breasts. You're going to put them in a Ziploc bag that has cornstarch in it and salt and pepper. All the measurements will be down below, so don't worry about that. And really, honestly, for this little part, you don't really, I personally don't think it needs to be measured, but you know, some people have to have that, and it's fine.
There's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything.
Put a little olive oil in the bottom of this. And I did about 3 chicken breasts, and you chop them up into 1-inch slices or pieces before you put them in this bag with the cornstarch. And yes, it makes a mess. Cornstarch is messy.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align,
In a bowl, we are going to combine a can of coconut milk. Is this coconut milk?
dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
And we need some peanut butter. As you can tell,
I'm not even close to ready.
I think I can do it without that measuring cup.
A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go.
And then we need some soy sauce, which is going to be about 1/4 cup. And I want to measure that because I want to make sure I don't overdo it. Okay, and then we need some honey. Now, as I've shared in previous videos, my honey is sugared up. It'll be fine. It still does what it's supposed to. It's just hard to get out of the container. And we need about 1/4 cup.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
Right, we need 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, not regular vinegar, rice wine vinegar. It's an Asian vinegar, and you need to use that, not regular vinegar, so that's important. And we're gonna need a teaspoon of sesame oil. And we're gonna use a ground ginger and ground garlic powder. I'm not gonna use cloves. You can use fresh on both of these. You need about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of each.
I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could.
I also got my cayenne pepper out. You're supposed to add a pinch of that. 1 pinch. Maybe 2 pinches. Okay?
I would die if I saw you now. Dreams might turn into something real. Don't you give me that look, take a bow, already know. Now you gotta go. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I
all this out.
I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
We'll go ahead and plug this up and get it started. I'll see you back here in a few hours. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product. I will suggest that you use a liner because it makes a mess in your crock pot. So, it kind of gives a consistency of fried chicken. Not really a fan. So, you know, of that part. But it tastes fine. So we did finally, you know, I'm going to serve it anyway. It'll be fun. So you need to garnish it with chopped dry roasted peanuts and a little bit of green onion. And that is all you'll need. And it is on a bed of rice. You may want to put like a little bit of soy sauce on it or some kind of something because it's very dry. But it tastes fine except for that part. Sriracha would probably also a good idea too. Hey y'all, I've got a crock pot video for y'all today. It's called Slow Cooker Buffalo Chicken, and we're gonna do some sandwiches with it. I've already got the hot sauce in the bowl, and we're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of ranch seasoning. It's the ranch dressing powder, not the liquid, but the powder.
On our tiptoes, undercover agents of the
Okay, so I got everything mixed together. We're over at the crock pot now. And I've already placed 3 chicken breasts in the crock pot. And I'm gonna pour my sauce over it.
hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for
Take about 4 tablespoons of butter.
this track of time.
And we're gonna cover this and we're gonna cook it on low heat for about 4 hours. And I will show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, y'all, so here's the finished product. Cooked it all day. And it was pretty easy, pretty simple. Dump and go. And I just put it on some cheap hamburger buns. And I made some shells and cheese to go with it. And now I have dinner. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.
Beyond